the tutorial on how to do counting the data on Microsoft Excel. So uh, for all of you that often use the formula of count of plus of counting data, so this is the basic formula about uh, sum. This is formula of sum to count the data, how to do counting on the data with Microsoft Excel formula. So here we go, the tutorial on how to count the data on Microsoft Excel. Okay, to do plus formula, and this to make a total sales. Okay, and I will explain one by one from the first method until 5 method. Okay, so you can use it based on your need, which formula that you need to use on operating the Microsoft Excel. Here, the data about names you can see on your screen, and the sales on Monday until Sunday. It's 7 days of total sales, and you need to count all of the data from Monday until Sunday to make a total per sales. So this is the first method. This is a manual method, but it's so easy, and you need to know about this. Before you input the formula, so do not forget to start your formula on the Microsoft Excel with equal to sign. After you press the equal to sign, and it means that Microsoft Excel starts to be ready to do formula on Microsoft Excel. So we need to plus formula to count of the data to know about total per sales from Monday. So you can after equal to sign, just click the cells that you want to count or to do sum or plus. Okay, or you can also plus and then select the cells and then select the cells until the cells that you want to do counting, and then press enter to know about the value total per sales using the plus sign. And after you enter the result, the result will automatically appear, and just drag down here on the right top right bottom corner to copy the formula until the below rows. Okay, let's move to the second method or second ways. On this second ways, I think that it's too useful for you if you want to count the cells or data if the data is on control or on in not in order. Okay, so if you have some data not in order, so you can use the sum formula equal to sign. Do not forget to add this, and then sum, and then open the brackets, and after this you need to select the data that you want to count. If you want to make a total or to count data from Monday until Sunday, you can select the data from B2 and then comma C2 comma D2 comma until Thursday, until Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Do not forget, if you use some formula, you just need to make commas. It's commas on the data, and then close the brackets and enter. So the result will be the same with the first method before. And after this, just copy the formula by doing drag down, and after this you can copy the formula without typing one by one. Okay, the method that is used by using sum, so it will make it easier for us if you want it in to count the cells in separated cells. Just use this method. I think it will be easier. Okay, just select the cells that you want to count, and then do not forget to close the brackets after you select the cells. Okay. Okay, the result is different because we just count uh, some certain cells, not all of the cells from Monday until Sunday. Okay, let's move to this third method. It's an often formula that used by many people. Okay, by using this equal to sign and then sum, it means that you want to make a total sales or total count to count and plug all the data. Okay, it uses the plugging method from B2 until H2. Just plug the data and then do not forget to close the brackets and enter. It means that you want to count to the plus formula from B2 until H2, so it has the same results because actually from all of the methods is same method. Okay, if you want to sum B2 until H to 25, okay, sum, open the bracket and then plug the data all from cells that you want to count and then close the brackets. Don't forget to close and enter. Okay, so the result was 81 thousands because we count all of cells, all of the data from all of names until from Monday until Sunday. Just block the data. So it is used if the data is in order. So you can use this method. Okay, let's move to the fourth method. We will use AutoSum, a formula. Here, AutoSum can use the feature of AutoSum without pressing equal to sign. For example, we will add or we will make a counting form I to AutoSum. Okay, you can see here from the click AutoSum, just click AutoSum, so the data will be automatically read your thinking. Okay, and it's AutoSum. So from I to as total per sales, just click AutoSums, and then Microsoft Excel will read about your need to make a AutoSum or counting from the data. Okay, it's total per day. You can see here, just using AutoSum, and Microsoft Excel will read the data from this. Okay, it counting from vertical, so it will add the Monday sales from many employers. Okay, from many employers, like, okay, that's the fifth method. We are going to go to fifth method, or move to the fifth method. It's a fast formula. You can use the shortcut button here. Okay, just want to delay the data. Okay, the fastest without shortcut. Okay, shortcut auto sum. Okay, okay, plus sorry, firstly you need to press shift and then block from B. Okay, we will repeat again. Do not forget to press shift and then block from B 26 until I26 cells, and after you press shift, so do not forget to press Ctrl from I2 until I25, and after you press it, after you block it, okay, we have to press Alt and equal to sign, Alt Alt. Okay, the shortcut is the button of Alt and equal to sign. It's a shortcut of AutoSum. Okay, it's a shortcut of AutoSum by pressing button of Alt on your keyboard and equal to sign. It's the fastest method on Microsoft Excel. That's a tutorial of how to count data to make a plus or sum the data in Microsoft Excel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.